Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Turn the ignition off and set the wipers to the parked position before you start working. Fold the wiper arms away from the windshield only if your model allows service mode. Otherwise, leave them down and protect the glass with a towel. Measure both blades with a tape measure. Typical sizes range 18 to 28 inches, record each length in inches. Gather a flathead screwdriver, a 10 mm socket, new blades rated for your car, and a clean rag to wipe contact points and the windshield before installation. Place a towel under each arm to protect the windshield glass while the arm is lifted and the blade is removed. Lift the wiper arm gently. Hold the arm firmly and depress the spring tab on the blade assembly, then slide the wiper assembly downward to release the J-hook coupling or unclip the quick release depending on the blade type. Remove the blade by pulling it free along the arm axis. Inspect the arm and connector for rust or bends, and clean with a rag and small wire brush if needed before fitting the new blade. Align the replacement blade so the adapter matches the arm type, J-hook, pin, or bayonet, and push the blade into place until you hear a secure click indicating the clip engaged. Lower the arm carefully onto the windshield, remove the towel, then start the car and test washers and wipers at low speed to confirm full sweep and no rubbing. If streaking occurs or the sweep is incomplete, replace the blade or check for bent arms and ensure blades match the lengths you recorded earlier and sit flat across.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.